Hey everyone, what's going on? Brett here with Simple Preparedness. Got something new here today. I saw these a little while back and they kind of piqued my interest. So I thought today we'd try them out, see how well they worked. We have the Zippo Typhoon match kit. Now I know a lot of you have probably seen or you use these UCO ones. All I have is the small ones. I know UCO does have the bigger ones. I forget what they call them, the Titans, I believe. But I've never tried these ones. And I was going to test these against the Zippo matches, but I don't think it'd be fair. These are little ones. These are apparently pretty damn big. Let's pop this open real quick here. And I did get these from Amazon. They are a little pricey, but compared to the UCO Titan ones, they're about the same. If you get the smaller ones from UCO, you're probably going to save about $5-6, but we'll get into that. Now this is the thing they come in. That is a big old bugger. Just for comparison to the little UCO, that's huge difference. These are supposed to be waterproof, windproof, and burn for 30 seconds. Watertight container. Good Lord. So already these things are freaking massive. And then they have something down here on the bottom. Oh, and that is your striker surface down underneath the bottom cap. Seal it right back up and your striker stays nice and dry inside there. Really nice. For these, you'll get 15 matches inside of here. And the price is a little over $15 for this. So you're paying about $1 a match for these. They also include instructions, in case you don't know how to use matches. You got instructions here. So I thought we would test these out and see just how windproof and waterproof they are. So I brought a hair dryer out here. We're going to try and blow one of them out. I brought a glass of water out here. We're going to try to put it out in a glass of water. But I thought it'd be interesting. Like I said, I've never used the UCO ones. Oh, what else we got here? Oh, down in the bottom, they include 2 more strikers to put on the bottom there. Very cool. Up in the lid here, there is a soft spongy thing, I guess, so your matches don't hit the top and ignite. What's up, B? Okay, go ask Mama, okay? All right, I'll be in a minute. Gotta love it. So yeah, there's a little soft spongy thing in the top. Looking for something else? Oh, you got your little do not eat thing in the bottom. We'll leave that down in there. So matches are pretty big. I've never tried the Titan ones, so I'm not sure how they compare to these. That is one of the matches. They are some big old matches. But what we're going to do, I'm just going to take them right out of that plastic and put them in here. So we're going to spark one of these puppies up. And we're going to see if we can blow it out with a hairdryer on high. We'll see what happens. That's the biggest hairdryer I got, so gonna have to work with that. So we will pop the bottom cap off. I should be doing this outside, but whatever. Alright, first of all, let's blow this out with a hairdryer. Nope. And it's just about burned out. So we won't mess with the water yet. Let's just let it burn out the rest of the way. I probably should have timed that. Woo! Yeah, that stick gets a little bit hot. So I'm not sure how long that went. It seemed like pretty quick, but it might have been 30 seconds. 30 seconds really isn't that long. So we're going to try one more of these matches. We're going to try to put it out in some water and see how well it works. The wind definitely didn't blow it out. So let's see if water will put one of these things out. All right, here we go. Let it burn a little bit. Put it right down in that water. Dude, that water is bubbling away. And there we go. Even the wet stuff on the match. Maybe. We're still getting some fire there. There we go. So apparently, water won't put them out. And a strong wind won't put them out either. Very cool. Very cool. Definitely something handy to have out there. You know, throw it in your get home bag, your bug out bag, take them camping with you or whatever. I've never tried those matches before, so I thought that was a pretty neat test. For the price of 15 bucks for 15 matches, it is a little high, but as we just saw, they're not going to blow out. And sticking them in water isn't going to put them out either. And you can, I did look, you can buy boxes of these Zippo matches so you can refill this. This is supposedly watertight. So, and it's heavy. It's really heavy. Hey, babe. Okay, give me just a minute to finish my video, okay? All right, I'll be right in, okay? No, go back in the house. Go back in the house. I'll be right in, okay?
And do me straight right there.
Okay, I sure will.
And do right from the cub.
Okay. Sorry, guys. Family life, but I don't mind. So yeah, there we go. The Zippo Typhoon matches. I'll put a link down below if you're interested in checking them out. And since we're sitting here, you know what? Let's go ahead and try these little UCO ones. I'll pop one of these out. Considerably smaller, of course. As you can see, that's one of the UCOs. And that's one of the Zippo ones. But just out of curiosity, let's see if these work the same way. These have the little striker pad on the side, so you got to be careful you don't get it wet. But let's try to water test first. Yeah, sparked right back up. Good deal. And that one's going to burn out pretty quick. So that worked. Nice. Like I said, I've never tested these, so I figured now would be a good time. Plus, with these UCOs, they give you a little bit of cotton in there, and they give you a couple extra little strips. Now with those Titan ones, I'm sure you could stuff a cotton ball or something up in the top and you wouldn't have any issues or anything like that. These just happen to come with it, so that's kind of cool. Well, let's try the blow dryer test with these ones. It just made it worse. It burned it a lot quicker though. So yeah, both of them appear to work just fine. The Stormproof matches from UCO performed about the same as the Zippo matches. The Zippo matches, I believe, are made here in the United States. The UCO, I'm not really sure, but I think China or somewhere. I did go on Amazon trying to price these, and the whole thing was written in Chinese or something. So, I don't know. But I do believe the Zippo ones are made here in the United States. If I'm wrong, please post a comment, correct me or whatever. But I'm definitely going to go with the Zippo ones. I like that they're a lot bigger. They burn a little bit longer. And I'm sure the UCO Titan matches would perform about the same. I just like the case. Plus you have a little lanyard hole up here, so you can go ahead, strap that on. But yeah, there we go. The Zippo Typhoon matches. Alright guys, as always, be safe, be prepared. We'll holler at you later. Bye y'all.